What you are looking at right now is not a city. It's not a country. It's not even a land. It's a floating army in the middle of the ocean. And every night it grows brighter. Some scientists say this fleet can be seen from space. Others say it's slowly changing the balance of life in the ocean, and almost no one is talking about it. This is Peru, a country with one of the richest oceans on Earth, thanks to something called the Humboldt current. This cold current brings nutrients from the deep ocean, creating an explosion of marine life. Fish, squid, entire ecosystems. In fact, Peru's waters are so rich, they support one of the largest fishing industries in the world. But just beyond its borders, something unusual has been happening. Every year, hundreds of ships gather just outside Peru's waters. Not 10, not 50, hundreds, mostly from one country. And that country is China. This is part of the world's largest distant water fishing fleet. And at night, these ships turn on powerful lights to attract squid. From above, it looks like a glowing city in the ocean. But this isn't just fishing. This is industrial scale extraction. Now here is where the things get complicated. These ships are technically fishing in international waters, which means it's legal. But there is a catch. They operate right at the edge of Peru's exclusive zone. Think of it like someone is standing just outside your house, taking everything from your backyard's boundary, day after day, year after year, and the scale is massive. We are talking about hundreds of thousands of tons of squid being pulled out of ocean every single year. And squid aren't just any species. They are a key part of the food chain. Remove too many and everything above and below starts to shift. Squids eat smaller fish and bigger fish eat squid. It's a delicate balance. Now imagine removing a huge chunk from the middle. Suddenly, smaller fish populations explode. Larger predators struggle. Entire ecosystem starts behaving differently. And this doesn't just affect Peru. Oceans don't have borders. What happens here spreads. And why this isn't just about Peru? Well, China's fishing fleet operates across the globe. South America, Africa, the Pacific. Wherever there is a demand, the fleet follows. Because the world has a problem. We are consuming seafood faster than oceans can recover. And countries with massive fleets are racing to secure resources. This isn't just fishing anymore. It's a resource competition. And that too, a silent one. Now to be clear, China is not the only country fishing these waters. And not all of this is illegal. But there have been concerns. Ships turning off tracking systems, crossing into protected zones, lack of transparency. And with fleets this large, monitoring becomes almost impossible. So the question isn't just is this legal, but is this sustainable? Because here is the reality. The ocean feels infinite, but it's not. And for the first time in history, we have the technology to extract resources at a scale nature may not keep up with. This glowing fleet in the Pacific might just be a preview of the future. If you enjoyed watching this, do not forget to check out other videos on my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.